feet. It's just like, no, I'm not on the radio. No one can hear me do it. I get up in the morning, I just start slapping the back of my hand. And the wife goes, Johnny, what are you doing? And I go, hi, damn. Because I work with so many women, I don't know what her name is anymore. Lisa, Denise, who are you? Which one are you? Are you the Tarbuck one? I don't know. Johnny Vaughan.
One hand palm up and then hit it with the back of the other one.
That's right. It's left hand out, right hand slap. Slap. Johnny slap. Johnny, it's a Johnny Vaughan slap.
Not for driving, but try it at home.
Anyway, the excitement around the UK because Dave and I watched our trailers last night.
It's unbelievable.
My favourite one being,
Oh my God, I watched Fight Trainers yesterday too.
somebody actually got very excited.
I'm in a pillowcase.
Says Joe on his way to work in Cardiff. You can text us if you want, 81199. 81199 or Twitter, we are at Chris Miles Show. And some of us don't have 4 pairs of trainers, so there's Darren. Darren, give me an address, I'll buy you a pair of trainers. Can you spot the 2 single guys on the Chris Miles Show who spent the evening washing trainers and taking photos of them?
Hello.
How are you staying single, says Matt? Not very hardly, Matt, so set up you if you don't mind. Here's an idea, talk up to the news and balls to Reese Hughes. That's a much better feature, says Andy the Trucker. We've got to play a song, otherwise holding world stops. Can you say hello to my wonderful friend Katie Saunders, who's running in the Olympic relay? 15:44 today in Egham. We can't wait to see her, says hello from South London.